We are meeting here for Baisakhi festival, which is being held in Amirpet. Kesh, Kada, then Kacha, that's the underwear. Then there is Kirpan. It's a small sword which we keep along with us.
Cross Polo. He is a go-to man for all my software needs.
ਕਰਨੀ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਬੈਠਦੇ ਸੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਭਰਮੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਸੀ। ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਰਾਏ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਫਿਰ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੇ। ਸਿੱਖ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਵੇ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੈਦਰਾਬਾਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹੋ ਚਾਹੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਜੂਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਰਹੋ, ਪਰ ਵਾਸੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਨੰਦਪੁਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਖਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਤ ਸੰਗ ਹਰਿ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਦਿਨ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦਾ ਸੀ। ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਮਰਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਨਾਉਣੀ ਆਰੰਭ ਕੀਤੀ। ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਹੁਕਮਨਾਮੇ ਲਿਖੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਪੰਥ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਹੋਵੇ।
Hello.
Hey, so meet my friend Prabjot.
Hi everyone.
And we are going to see his car. I'll show you now in some time. Wait.
Yeah, first see me, then see my car.
So guys, this is his car. He recently took it from Odisha and drove it all the way from Bubba. So let's see what the... One second. Diesel का है ये? अरे सही है. So it's got alloys and it's a Cross Polo. Hey guys, so meet my friend, very good and old friend of mine, Prabjot.
Yes.
Okay, he is a fellow language enthusiast, and he is also a fantastic singer.
Not anymore. I haven't sung since almost 2 years. So.
Oh
yeah.
really? Okay.
Yep.
Fine, but he's got a karaoke at home.
Yes.
Okay, something that I explored, and he's going to feature in my channel quite a lot from now. This is his Arangetram on my channel, so please say hi and welcome him to the Nirmal Kumar family. YouTube family, I mean. Yeah.
Hello,
So-
hi friends. So yeah, as he already introduced myself, so my name is Prabjot Singh, and the good thing about Nirmal is that he pronounced my name pretty well, which most of the people do not. There are a lot of spelling errors that they make, but that's a different vlog to make on, so I'll not spend much time on it. And today we are meeting here for Baisakhi festival, which is being held in Amirpet, not in the Amirpet Gurudwara, but in a Guru Gobind Singh Ji Sabha nearby. So it's a sports emporium mostly here. So there's a big ground where a lot of many people have congregated. And thanks Nirmal for coming. He usually comes to Nampally as well, where we celebrate Guru Nanak Divas in November.
And also to Secunderabad.
Yes, he did go there as well. But we didn't meet there anytime. So But yeah, we explore pretty much things mostly related to knowledge. And as you know, Nirmal GK, his name initials are general knowledge, so he's good with that. And yeah, coming to Baisakhi, it's a festival that embarks new year of Sikhism, and it also lets people know that it's the harvest time. So the harvesting begins now onwards, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But one sad thing which I learned about Baisakhi is the Jallianwala Bagh massacre also happened on 13th January 1919. Yes,
13th January.
January, yeah. No, sorry, 13th April. Yeah, January is different. 13th April 1919.
That's
Yes, it
okay,
happened on the
that's
same
really
day.
sad. Now tell me something. Was 13th April that day Baisakhi?
Yes, it was.
Okay.
Yes, it was.
Mhm.
So that Dan General Dyer gave that permission to shoot lot many people enclosed in Jallianwala Bagh who couldn't escape, unfortunately. And yeah, there is some sad behind this festival as well.
Yeah, that's one of the darkest moments of Indian history, I'd say,
Yeah.
where a lot of people were shot to death with no place to escape.
That's the sad part.
Yeah, but okay.
Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much about it. And sometime it's also being celebrated on the 14th, so it fluctuates mostly on 13th and 14th. And while we have talked about the dark side, one bright side of 13th April is it's my mom's birthday as well.
Oh,
Yes.
Auntie Ji ko happy birthday to you.
Yeah, so I already wished my mom, so yeah, today is my mom's birthday and also one of my aunt's birthday as well.
Okay, Auntie Ji ko bhi Pailagu pranam. आपको भी happy birthday to you, Auntie Ji.
Yeah, I hope this vlog reaches her. I'll
yeah,
definitely
yeah.
put it in my status once it's live.
Sure,
So,
lovely.
so his son could let her mom know about it, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for Baisakhi that I can let know. Yeah, and
Nice.
other things associated with the celebration are Nagar Kirtan, which is like they conduct rally on the roads from one point to another. Not too long, maybe 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer long.
Mm-hmm.
So they're like proceedings. So like processions, not proceedings. Processions.
Okay.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. So once the holy book Guru Granth Sahib Ji, it enters the Gurudwara, from there Kirtan, Shabad, Gurbani, these all things begin, and Kathas also. They are very
Like the one that's going on inside.
Yes.
Right.
So it's Kirtan, then Shabad, Katha. So these all things are very enchanting. It pleases your ears if you thoroughly listen it.
Mhm.
But unfortunately, today's generation, including me also, I wouldn't spare myself. But
So
but
your
yeah.
previous generation like me are interested.
Yes, of course.
There's a generation gap.
Yeah, not that much. Huh? Don't believe him.
Just about 2 years.
So yeah, that's pretty much about Baisakhi. And most of the festivals in Sikhism, they are celebrated in a similar manner.
Mhm.
We have processions and Nagar Kirtan, then this Shabad, Kirtan, and then followed by Guru Ka Langar, which is common kitchen.
Yes.
So everyone is invited to have lunch or evening snacks whenever the event is being celebrated.
Yeah.
So just come and have food, and it's always so tasty to have langar. I mean, no matter which area, which Gurudwara you go in India, the taste is just too good.
Yeah, something that I noticed, Prabhujot Singh.
See, that's one of the spelling errors and pronunciations which people make. Yeah.
So I in short call him Prabs. Okay, so one of the things that I noticed is no matter how bad a cook somebody is, if they are cooking something for God,
Yes.
okay, कोई भी किसी भी
कहीं
भगवान
पर
के
भी हो,
लिए
हाँ.
जब कोई बनाते हैं उसका टेस्ट अलग हो जाता है भाई.
That's
घर में
true.
भी जब प्रसाद के लिए कुछ बनाते हैं ना,
Correct. He's right.
जबरदस्त टेस्ट आता है. एंड दैट ऑल्सो रिमाइंड्स मी, आज मैंने लंगर में सेवा किया.
Okay.
Okay, I served some rice.
Mhm.
So the process is that you carry the bucket of rice and you keep
asking
Serving
people.
it, yeah.
Chawal Vaheguruji, Chawal Vaheguruji. Somebody wants it, they will ask for it. Somebody doesn't want it, they'll just put the hand on the,
Yeah.
the plate, the paper plate.
Yeah. So they don't say no
huh.
to food. They
And-
just indicate like this.
And what I liked is the way they were receiving food, be it chapati or be it the prasad, they were receiving it with both the hands.
Yes.
So like you're receiving alms. So that is one beautiful thing about this religion, Sikh religion. यहाँ पे what are the 5 Ks perhaps?
Yeah. So it's kesh. Kesh means hair, long hair. Kesh, kada. This one. And
I
he has
got
also
one today.
Kesh, kada, then kacha. That's the underwear. Then there is kirpan. It's a small sword which we keep along with us. And it is only allowed for Sikhs to carry that sword in public places, even in airplanes. So
Correct.
otherwise they don't allow sharp objects. So that is something related to religion, which is why it is an exception.
And is it true that once you take it out, even by mistake, there has to be, it has to taste blood before you put it back?
No, I haven't heard about it.
Nothing.
No,
nothing
no,
of
it
that
may
sort.
be
So
a
that is
rumor.
just
No,
a rumor.
yeah.
So don't believe in that.
No.
You must have
Yeah.
noticed one more thing about Praps is his fluency. Okay, the way he speaks, the choice of words, and his pronunciation. So his dad is a linguist also.
Yes.
Okay, and he has that lineage, and he has it in his genes, not the genes that is
Yeah,
wearing,
it's tone one even.
but in his DNA. And he and I share the same interest, which is linguistics.
Yes.
So we will collab more on my channel on linguistics, and so you will get to see him more on my channel
Yes,
from here
yes.
on. And the next video that we are going to shoot is about his cross polo. Okay, a detailed walk around and a detailed
Description or something like that.
So let's see what all this car has got. Okay, so with that note, I have a couple more things to add, which is in my previous videos you must have seen about solstices, right? So there's a winter solstice and summer solstice. So when the sun is going down, okay, Dakshinayan from north 47 degree, it meets the equator at one point, okay, and when it reaches the bottommost position, which is the minus 47 degree, we may call, okay, the imaginary angle, from there it cannot go further down, but it can only go up. So when it's going up, the Uttarayan, okay, so there it again on its journey it meets the equator point again, and that position of sun, okay, is called equinox. An equinox happens twice a year, once somewhere on the 20th or 21st of March, and the other somewhere on the 22nd or 23rd of September. On the 20th of March this year, spring season had begun. Okay, on equinox, spring season begins, and we celebrate Holi on that day. There are 3 more reasons why we celebrate according to our Hindu Puranas, which we can discuss later in some other video. Exactly the next full moon day is Ugadi, and after Ugadi, our next month on the Hindu calendar begins, which is Vaishak, and on the day it begins, Vaisakhi is celebrated. Okay, Vaisakhi is technically the new year for our Sikh friends and also for our Tamil friends. Okay, Tamil New Year Day is tomorrow. So to all my Tamil subscribers, Iniya Puttandu Nalvarthukal, and to all my Sikh friends and Punjabi friends who celebrate Vaishakhi, ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਅੱਜ ਵੈਸਾਖੀ ਹੈ,
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੈਸਾਖੀ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ।
ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। So that's the video, guys. Here's Prabjot. One more thing about this gentleman here is that he is my go-to man for all my software needs. So there's a lot coming your way in our collab, and I'll be pleased to join hands with them and make more videos.
Same here.
Yo, okay, so let's call it a day today. What do you say, perhaps?
Yes, I think it's enough for today, and we will definitely get back and try to amuse and entertain you guys.
A peace. So if you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to say something to us. And until we see you next time, have fun.
Yep. Don't forget to have fun.